Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you, sorry. So hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a video about how to make some microwave cake. I know I already made a video about that, but today, this time we actually have some egg, but we didn't have milk, so I just wanted to add an extra. So the first thing we're going to need, of course, is waffle mix or pancake mix. Okay, so I'll put the egg over here. Doesn't go anywhere. Oh yeah, and you're gonna need something to mix with. I'm using a spoon. And you're gonna need a bottle of water. I'm using a bottle of water because it acts like milk, well, just to me. And then I have some butter. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just take the butter. Since I don't have the Pam spray thingy, I'm just going to use butter because whatever day, me and my cousin used butter for it, so I'm basically going to use my two hands. So just, if you don't have Pam mix or whatever, but if you have butter, then that's good, because you just need to, like, I just hold the butter like that, and then I just wipe it around everywhere. I make sure I get a lot, because I don't know if you just put a little bit, then it's not going to mix that well. Okay, it's almost finished. Okay, so now I'm going to throw it away. Now I'm going to add in some pancake mix. I'm going to make sure that I do not put too much. Usually at my house, me and my husband will make some microwave cake, but only over here. At her house, we'll be making stuff like biscuits because I don't want to make a mess over here. That's basically why. Okay, I'm just going to take a scoopful because dumping it out from the bag is making a mess. See, it's already making a mess. Okay, now you just want to put it back inside. Okay, so now you're just going to put that away. Ooh, got some over here. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, I just like to just mess with it. Okay, now you're going to add your egg. Now I just throw that egg away. That was so disgusting. Now I'm going to add in some butter. Depends how much you want, but I'm probably going to add a lot. Not too much, but okay, so then you just get out of your water. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.